The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Noble County, Muskingum County, Coshocton County, Quincy County, southwestern Tuscarawas County until 5 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cooperdale to near New Lexington to near MacArthur, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Zanesville, Coshocton, Cambridge, Newcomerstown, New Concord, Blytheville, West Lafayette, Caldwell, Dudley, Baltic, Philo, Warsaw, Senecaville, Cumberland, Conesville, Old Washington, Bell Valley, Stone Creek, Sarasville and Plainfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The